Hello everybody, this is Teacher Dawn. Good afternoon. How are you today? I hope everybody is doing fine for today. Okay, today we're going to study another blending sound or short vowel sound for a. Everybody, a. But before that, we're gonna have little conversation about the things that you like and you don't like. Okay, again, we're gonna do it again. Okay, my first question is, do you like baseball? Okay, everybody says yes, I do. Okay, now the next one is, do you like tennis? Okay, everybody says no, I don't. I like badminton. Okay, the third question is, do you like soccer? Everybody says yes, I do. Okay, that's awesome, dear students. Now, okay, we're gonna study another blending sound. Okay, we have that app. Everybody, app, app, app. Okay, now, okay, what is the first one? Okay, what is the first letter that we have? Letter A. Everybody, A, A, A. Okay, what is the sound of the letter A? A, A, A. Okay, next, what is the next letter? Letter P, everybody. What is the sound of the letter P? P, P, P. Okay, now we're gonna combine them. Okay, and what is the sound? Everybody, app, app, app. Okay, so, okay, let's go to the first vocabulary. What is the first vocabulary that we have? We have cap, everybody. Cap, cap, cap. Cap, cap, cap. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, the next one we have map. Map, map, map. Everybody, map, map, map. Okay, the third one we have nap, nap, nap. Everybody, nap, nap, nap. Okay, the fourth one we have tap. Everybody, tap, tap, tap. Everybody, tap, tap, tap. Now let's practice the blending sound. Okay, the first one is cap. Everybody, cap, app, cap, cap, app, cap, cap, app, cap. That's wonderful. Okay, next we have map. Okay, map, app, map, map, app, map, map, app, map. That's wonderful. Okay, now the third one is nap. Nap, app, nap, nap, app, nap, nap, app, nap. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, the last one is tap. Everybody, tap, app, tap, tap, app, tap, tap, app, tap. Okay, now are you ready for chanting? Okay, let's go for chanting. Okay, everybody, is that a cap on the map? Is that your cap on the map? Again, is that your cap on the map? Is that your cap on the map? Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Thank you for your time. See you again.